Thanksgiving stamps, and now we have more Thanksgiving stamps. This is called Pilgrim Boy to stamp, and this one obviously is called Pilgrim Girl to stamp. Aren't they adorable? They are so cute, I want to cry. And the fun thing is they're both holding their hands like this, so you can put these items in their hands so they can hold them, which is really fun. So the pumpkin or the cornucopia or the little apple or the turkey or the pie, isn't that cute? And they can just totally hold them. And I made little minis on there so you could do little minis, and I love them. I love them. Now, brand new stamp sets need what? Yes, that's right, they need dies. So of course we have the dies. Now what I did on the dies was to give you the best value, I put them together. So the dies are together for these. So if you just buy the boy, well, you're gonna also get the girl. So eventually you're gonna wanna buy the girl stamp set, but that's up to you. But aren't they cute? And imagine how cute they are. Look, imagine how cute they are together. I love them. Okay, let me show you my samples. Well, should I show you? Let me show you the samples. Okay, ready? And of course our markers go great with these because these you get to color and have some fun. If you don't have our markers, you can use colored pencils, you can use anything. Don't be overwhelmed by like, oh, you know, I don't have those expensive fancy markers that other websites sell. You don't need those. You can buy our markers. Our markers are very well priced. Or just use whatever you have. Play with whatever you have. So look at how cute that little guy is. I'm thankful for you. Happy Thanksgiving. I love him. Oh, here's one just using the pumpkins, which is fun. Happy fall. Nice. Oh my goodness gracious. This designer made her own background paper using the turkey. Look at that. Full of thanks. I love that. Oh, and here's a little guy holding the cornucopia with some little pumpkins at the bottom. Count your blessings. Oh, look at how cute she is. Happy Turkey Day. Isn't that exciting? I love her. I think she's so adorable. Here's another one. And this is one where she's not holding anything. When I count my blessings, I count you first, which is beautiful. I love her. Here's one. Happy Thanksgiving, flip a card. Let's gobble till we wobble. I love it. That's what I do on Thanksgiving, let me tell you. Mashed potatoes. I love mashed potatoes. Now, this one is really cute. Look at how cute they are together. Need I say more? They are adorable together. I just love them. And it says gobble, gobble. And then here's another one, Happy Thanksgiving, using our stitch squares. I love it, and they're together again. I love them. Now, adorable. Okay, now moving on. So that's Thanksgiving. Now we need to think more about Christmas. So we've done some Christmas already. We're adding some more Christmas. It's all about Christmas and fall right now, right? So this was our club set, if you remember correctly, Santa to stamp. Well, Santa needs some more patterns. So here's some patterns. This is called Patterns for Santa. So now we have patterns for his hat and for his mustache. We have a full solid mustache and nose. Dear Santa, I can explain, define good, I believe, it's a long story, I didn't do it. Does nice-ish count? I believe, my brother did it, I tried to be good. Isn't that cute? Then we also have, I decided we also need a list for Santa. So here's another Dear Santa, and this one says, Dear Santa, I've been good all year, and then the check marks are an X. Okay, most of the time. Well, maybe sometimes. Never mind, I'll buy my own presents. Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. You're nice, I checked twice. Here comes Santa Claus. For you, from your secret Santa, because that's a request I've gotten quite a bit. And Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night. Now let's look at our samples. First of all, is this adorable or what? Look at this, how we made our own pattern paper using the small little Santa head. Dear Santa, never mind, I'll buy my own presents. Here's another one, a little different. Dear Santa, okay, most of the time. Oh, here's one cute. Dear Santa, I tried to be good. And then it says, never mind, I'll buy my own presents. So fun. Let's see, here's a cute one. Dear Santa, and it gives all of them. I tried to be good. It's a long story. I can explain. Does nice-ish count? I love that. So fun. And just a fun little card. Easy peasy, right? I mean, how simple. Oh, look at those patterns. Isn't that fantastic? So much fun with the patterns. I love playing with the patterns because it changes the whole look of the card. Here's another one with those fun patterns. Cute. And oh, look at this one, using our notebook edge die. I love that. Dear Santa, define good. It's a long story. And look at how cute that is. Now, this one is fun because look at this. Dun, 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 dun. It is our pillow box die that just came out. It's so much fun, so cute. Do not open until December 25th. Now, club members, of course you get the club discount on your products. If you're not a club member, you need to find out more information about the club because it is fantastic and you'll definitely want to be involved. Thanks so much, and I hope to see you again.